Let's talk about food chains and food webs. A food chain shows us who eats whom in an ecosystem to obtain nutrition. There are many important parts that make up a food chain. A producer is an organism who produces food. Examples of producers are plants, flowers, and trees. Producers get their energy from sunlight. A consumer is an organism who eats other organisms. There are different types of consumers. Primary consumers are herbivores because they only eat producers. Secondary consumers are carnivores and omnivores because they eat other consumers. Consumers get their energy from the organisms they eat. A decomposer is an organism who breaks down dead plants and animals. Examples of decomposers include worms, snails, mushrooms, and other fungi. Decomposers get their energy from the organisms they break down. A food chain is made up of producers, consumers, and decomposers. The producers get their energy from the sun. Primary consumers get energy by eating plants that are producers. Secondary consumers get energy by eating primary consumers or other consumers. And decomposers get their energy by breaking down consumers and producers. A food web is made up of interacting food chains inside of an ecosystem. There are many different food webs that exist in the world around us. Let's review what we've learned. Food chains are made up of producers, consumers, and decomposers. A food web is made of multiple food chains. Food chains and food webs help us to understand who consumes whom to gain energy in an ecosystem.